The Russian military recently utilized Lancet munitions to destroy a Su-25 attack aircraft belonging to the Ukrainian Air Force at Dolgintsevo Airport, near Kryvyi Rih. This information was shared by the Russian Defense Ministry on June 11, 2024. Our UAV operators successfully targeted the Ukrainian Armed Forces aircraft parking area at Dolgintsevo Airport, located in the Dnipropetrovsk region, using Lancet munitions, the Russian Defense Ministry announced. The Ukrainian aircraft was destroyed at the coordinates 47.9029289 and 33.5265230, approximately 65 kilometers from the combat contact line. This incident isn't isolated. The Russian military has previously struck Ukrainian aircraft at this airport. Recorded attacks include hits on Su-25 planes on November 20, 2023 and June 6, 2024, as well as a strike on a MiG-29 on September 19, 2023. Lancets continue to play a crucial role for the Russian military, engaging a wide array of targets during operations in the special military zone. These loitering munitions attack everything from artillery and air defense systems to radar stations, armored vehicles, and even enemy aircraft. A similar fate might befall the F-16 fighters that Ukraine expects to receive. Interestingly, Brigadier General Serhiy Kolotsov, head of the Ukrainian Air Force, suggests that Ukraine has the means to counter such drone attacks on their F-16s. However, he acknowledges that countering Russian ballistic missiles poses a greater challenge, particularly as Kyiv faces a missile shortage for its Patriot systems. The Lancet loitering munition, developed by the Russian defense industry, is a type of unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed for precision strikes on ground targets. It is part of a broader category of weapons known as loitering munitions, which can hover over a target area for an extended period before engaging. The dimensions of the Lancet loitering munition are relatively compact, which aids in its deployment and maneuverability. It typically features a wingspan of around 1.3 meters and a length of approximately 1 meter. This size allows it to be easily transported and launched from various platforms. Propulsion for the Lancet is provided by an electric motor, which powers a pusher propeller. The payload of the Lancet loitering munition includes a high-explosive warhead designed to neutralize a range of targets, from personnel and light vehicles to fortified positions. The warhead is optimized for precision strikes, minimizing collateral damage and increasing the effectiveness of the munition. The operational range of the Lancet loitering munition is another critical aspect of its design. It can cover distances of up to 40 kilometers, allowing it to be deployed from a safe distance while still reaching its intended target. This range provides tactical flexibility and enhances the survivability of the launching platform. After striking parked Ukrainian jets nearly 60 kilometers from the front line, Russia's notorious Lancet loitering munition has leveled up. Earlier, the UAV destroyed a Czech Republic-made IRM-72 rocket artillery and a 152mm Dana self-propelled gun, SPG. Russian Telegram channels pointed to the video feed from the Lancet's nose camera while approaching the target. It noted a green box around the targeting reticule with the message, "Target acquired." This suggests the Lancet can now operate autonomously, detecting and recognizing targets independently. If true, the capability marks another milestone in the evolution of the famous loitering munition. It has emerged as the most defining weapon of the war, with several dozen videos showing it destroying Ukraine's Soviet-origin artillery and European and US howitzers like the M777, Paladin, and self-propelled guns like the Polish Krab. It has even destroyed several air defense radars and surface-to-air missiles, SAM, like the S-300. Russia introduced the Lancet series of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV, following the tactical withdrawal from Kherson in November last year after Ukraine had begun targeting its long and vulnerable supply lines that fed its gun and tube rocket artillery. It destroyed 45% of towed and self-propelled artillery since the beginning of the war in February 2022. It is, however, not known whether all the Russian units on the front line have received the upgraded Lancet 3s. In mid-September, a Russian Lancet 3 destroyed a Ukrainian Air Force UAF MiG-29 at Dolgintsevo Airbase near Kryvyi Rih in south-central Ukraine. Observers noted how the location was nearly 60 kilometers from the front line, inferring that the Lancet 3 used in the strike had an enhanced range that extended its 40-kilometer range to well above 60 kilometers. Before that, in March, RIA Novosti reported about Zala introducing an upgraded version with a new optical electronic guidance system and control system with new software and improved controllability and a more powerful warhead. It did not, however, mention an extended range as one of the upgrades. The Lancet 3 that hit the MiG-29 could be from another batch with the extended range as an upgrade. This is, however, unclear and is a mere conjecture based on available information. More clarity can be expected upon further reportage from Russian media about the Lancet upgrade and serial production program.